Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to link Majority to Cash App. So basically what you're going to have to do in order to link Majority to Cash App is to simply create your free Majority account. So you're going to have to simply go to majority.com and then simply click on sign up in the top right corner. Then what you're going to have to do is simply enter the phone number and click on continue. Then you're gonna have to add some personal information about you, and after that you're gonna be able to use Majority and receive money or send money. So what you're gonna have to do next is simply open a Cash App on your phone, and then you're gonna have to link your Majority account to Cash App. So in order to do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply tap the profile icon on your Cash App home screen, and then what you're gonna have to do is simply tap on linked banks, then tap link bank, and then what you're gonna have to do next is simply enter your Majority account information, and basically that's it. Now if you want, you can also link your Majority credit card, so you're gonna receive a credit card with Majority, and you can do the same thing, the same process, but instead on tapping the link bank button, simply tap on link credit card, and that's it. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.